Hey there, how are you?
Lynn. Good to
I'm
know
Wink
you.
Martindale.
I know who you are.
And
One
this
of my
is Sandy.
dear friends was on your show, Bunny Ablisser, years ago.
Oh my gosh, I remember that name.
Yes.
Of all the people that you could have mentioned, I do remember that name because it was such an unusual name.
Well, I still know her, and we're still friends.
Well, you tell her
My
Wink
family
said hello.
friends. And, I watched your show and all your hosting and everything, and it's so exciting to see you.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much.
Having fun. What is? Do you have some new things coming up?
Yeah, I've got a brand new show that I've developed and am going to be producing for one of the networks. I can't really talk about it right now, but it's been pitched to the networks, and we're this close to getting on in a 1-hour nighttime time slot. So we're very excited about that.
Is it going to be a night
It's
show?
one of those $1 million game shows.
A new game show with Wink Martindale. When can we expect to see it?
Hopefully this summer.
So look for it this summer. A new game show. What's it called? Can we say or not?
I can't say yet.
You can't say, but it's a great show coming up because I know
Based on a
it's gonna be
popular
fun.
card game. I can say that.
Okay. Thanks so much.
You're
It's
very
so
welcome.
Great to meet you.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.